In primetime news this evening, bogus COVID test kits. Health Ministry withdraws one brand of COVID test due to international health concerns. Pfizer focus. Government targeting Pfizer COVID vaccines as take-up of other brands falls. And reactions to the government's 7-year high school plan.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the government making sixth form mandatory and banning graduations at fifth form? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.